Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, hold this. Crosses TV never drop the catch. What's the pre?
You even tonight, me and she make reference to the man. I say, wait till him come out of prison. You look apart over one nice dress and she have on. I think better
Not like that. That's a holiness.
man.
Let me tell you something. Come on. As bad as thing be, me a petal they chat up our mouth when Tani dead. Oh, let me tell you this. Me know Petal for years. Petal did live at Brownsville. Petal did live 4 houses from his store. From his store. And as bad as thing be, me can say this. Me never sit down put on a blood clot curtain and me say wow, never. Down put on something she favor double rust line of them. The tights that she put on.
Oh,
Or she,
at the best I done now. Yes, so I'm done for
sure.
start watch all the till we rub her out her clothes and her ear and so Dan have to buy one whole wardrobe. Dan have to fix up his house. Dan all buy car cause we rub him. Dan used to wear some piece of dirty, old, tacky, olden days clothes. I know he start buy a little fashion over and Flatbush Avenue clothes. Trust and believe. Dan never look good yet. That's just the truth. Every time I sit down in Amazon fits. You know what Amazon fine?
That's a fucking.
But the truth, he never look good for truth. Never.
I feel like a petty thing Dan come out about.
Yes, look here. Foley, one time she called me from Media Miami. She called me. She said, "Good girl, walk on a good girl." She called me. You know me a dog shit, me a drunk up. She said, "Good girl, I have a nice pair of Chanel sneakers." I said, "Where you get it?" Our son, eh?
She bad man, okay. I do look good with the things, them. It's just the truth.
Wait, no. Our son get it. Our son will sell it. So she, when me say, "How much you sell?" From me here 250. Cause Chanel sneakers at 12, 13, and 1400 for them. So me here 250. Me say, "Hold on, hear me. Watch me go fuck her up now." But me say, "Oh, I'm come to New York. I come to New York. I call her 3, 4 times. She not answer me. Then she tell me that she there yes, and she not have a sneaker. She did this up. Finally, Beauty tell me, and Colin come repeat it. If I didn't lie, me I tell Colin could repeat it. Colin tell her, say, Dan, be careful what you do with that woman there. Because that woman there don't wear fake. So if a fake, I said, be careful. Yes, every time I call her back with the sneakers, she not answer me. She tell me that she not dead. So now fake, she don't plan to tell me. But true, Beauty tell her, say, don't mess with that woman there. She change her mind. Not even Colin, she never bother want to sell it to again, and she plan to sell Colin it. Dan, leave me alone, Dan. I'm going to store, Dan. I'm going to store, go buy my things, them. I Mr. Foley, I sell one bumbo clan name brand shoes. And when
If the whoop no ramp in the camp, they go, whoop say, wear the box. I don't want it because that is fake. Whoop no.
yeah. And when Foley have the good things, and when I know real, me buy them from him. Allow me, I tell Foley.
Yeah, because I make sure when me I come with nothing to you, but tell you about China.
Come here. Let me tell you something, Diary. Mr. Foley, Diary, wait now. Diary. Mr. Foley have one nice bag. The pan line, I put it up a sell. I'm quick enough, glad enough. Run, go in a Foley phone, come here, Foley number, call Foley. Foley, I want the bag here. No, here, Foley, no, not your style.
Yeah, in talk, then sitting there for sure. But I'm not gonna lie though. Like, it coming for your pin. But do find it hypocritical. Because we've seen Dan strip off her clothes. I have video done when she, Tanya, everybody up online, and she take out her breast a kissy with Colleen. I have videos of her when she strip on her live or she come out in her panty. But she there up on Lava Live with 9,000 other almost 10,000 people. Strip off her clothes, cartel gear, $1,000 and beg her to put her clothes back on. Like, I've seen this desperate granny do many things that cause her to take off her clothes. I hear she is judging Caroline, that Caroline stripping her dance. Like, even though it's tacky, but at the same time, she's not doing anything that you're not doing. You know what I mean?
But Diary, look, Colleen stripping a dance with maybe 150 people. She's stripping on the internet with millions of people gonna watch it after. Millions.
Yeah.
Yesterday, a married dog, they found live in a panty. And I come talk to Colleen, or even chat to Colleen. Colleen not married. You're a married woman. You fi set example.
I so I don't know why she even over there hype up herself at this point.
I mean, I know how comes now she and Kim are this big friend and Kim have her back so bad.
Oh, some more of my
Falling.
margarita.
Kim come to me. Kim come to me. And Kim said to me, says, sometime, you know, and we go on a beauty, and Mickey and Kim go on a beauty. Mickey and Kim go on there. Me, Kim and Nikki go on there. Ask Nikki, and me buy for everybody. Ask Nikki. Me buy food for Nikki, Kim, me, Kim, the woman named Miss Maureen, and blood clot lady. And
Run a beauty backyard empty in a blood
wait
clot.
now, and I me Kim go on. When me and Kim go on, the Kim say, Lord God, and tell a friend say them Bassache they don't look good. The cloth too thin out. We don't get them keep sitting there from a suck dance. So Kim say, no Kim have her back. Wait man, come here say me say she have one border, bleach out border. Hey.
Nah, gonna lie though, tonight's done. The hair color there, such up on your head. It matches skin very well. But notice you don't do too much with the eyebrow. So tonight you look very natural and fresh. A little sweaty, but natural. So this look was a thumbs up, and that's the first thumbs up I'm gonna give you ever in your life. Yeah. Please throw away the Johnny Bravo wig. I'm not stop beat it.
Yes, next good as me and Oprah friend.
Why would I ask a question like that, Trudy? Me telling you, sir, some little things I wanna do, it cause bigger reactions.
Yeah, me look here, me I follow this friend for over 20 years. Move your nasty
Yeah,
blood clot it burn you.
like
Over 20 years. Follow it in my place, I eat out the blood clot, good food, them and go with one pan.
no, but for sure, like
One pan of Thanksgiving food in the comfort.
Trudy, and you forgot Alana Zero Body. Wow, Alana, you didn't know Don? I thought you said you didn't know Don. Yeah, those are the questions we need to be asking out here. Why dancing Alana over here for Freddy Fall if you do damage? I must say that's why she said I have to come find out my mama pitched her.
You calling daughter say? Calling daughter say, anytime I see you, I'm gonna fuck you up, Alana.
When Colleen daughter said that,
Calling daughter said that.
oh, I don't know that girl.
Yeah, calling daughter say, anytime I see you, I'm gonna fuck you up.
Hope they never get themselves that trouble for them. They're two waste people.
No, man, me I tell you the truth. Me want, look here, me might not want down get a beat, but that's everybody I call from New York I ask who put 20 battery in Alana back. Who put 20 battery in Alana back?
I would really honestly like for Colleen daughter to be careful because she's a citizen and Alana needs her ass whooped by a citizen to get papers. So you better understand, you better they send somebody with on the papers so she can't get nothing.
But if you go neatly and put her on a mask and beat her, she don't know what out. I
Petal Sugar, why Donna call up her name so much tonight? Petal Sugar, she can't come off your name and your man name. But when God come from prison, oh God, to go mash up Colleen. Tell her to stop calling her man name.
So,
That's you, man.
I'm gonna stop me to down and talk up now.
But you know,
Talk up me.
Petal Sugar, one thing with me when it comes to Petal, she knows that anytime anytime she call Petal name in her ears, like don't call her name. Because Petal a good looking woman with good looking kids. But I want Petal not living at the projects no more. Leave her alone. She gone left her down.
Better we grudge down for your white dress.
Oh, yeah, for her white dress.
She have to pop her back like champagne. Let's see that over the turbo.
Then terrible. What do I say?
Bad.
I see him say if what the carrier got Paris, in about Paris, Las Vegas. and treat her to some good life. You would have ish come talk, you would have ish come to her mouth and say, oh, hope never did not fear yet. I hope Carga last week has put her in a dirty room, because you know they stay.
Me not catch she not talk about somebody she can somebody must a restaurant and the person must eat $70 water. Me couldn't catch her who me go catch when she talk about the food them and the thing them with the person order. Me never catch
One time,
that.
she say she pay for petal sugar food. I remember for chain. I don't know, but I remember in I pass one time one argument they come up about something like that.
Me would have never bring Dan gun on a big restaurant and me go, cause Dan can't use that from park. So that not me and her
Dan
never
chew
them.
and spit out and
Yeah.
talk.
And she name fast and name like a hog too much. So me could carry her.
Suck out the bone them and
Yeah,
spit
she
them
name
out.
like a hog. She said name and attack at the same time. I
Oh,
don't know the
Colleen, son. Jesus.
when they
Where they?
I say I was calling son she talking.
Wow.
Wow. Mm-mm.
But why you can't calling son pan a date? Man, you look.
All of them must be there at the restaurant together. Cause I think I couldn't see like little boy alone could eat $70 worth of food.
Funny.
no, five-star restaurant. If you go on a restaurant at Long Island, out a man has it at $90 for a steak out there.
But me I tell you, say, me alone got restaurants and me end up spending $100. The other night I go out when me got paint and tip, I literally spend about $200 plus tip. So a lot of restaurants like I never buy nothing really. One drink of $15.
Food
I mean, I not really like house liquor. Cause house liquor make me drunk quick.
Okay. And people are talking about that. People are not listening real good.
It's the night Colleen call and say him hungry. What must me?
Jesus. That's some petty thing. That's some petty thing.
Well, look for
Petal
funny.
wa come up, come talk. Petal wa come up, come talk. Petal wa come talk. Come
Well,
petal
look on it
sugar.
now. Remember, say, wait no, remember, say, Colleen. Remember, wait no, remember. All right, let me get the floor.
Petal talk up.
So I'm reaching at this now that I'm reaching at this.
Say I see her in a
Not
white
give much
dress
work, I'm gonna ask somebody. I'm reaching at it.
Say I see her in a white dress and bad man or
What kind of white dress you have?
and she said when God come from prison, God to go deal with Colleen because she done
Got a idiot, God not do nobody nothing. Got a fool. God not do nobody nothing.
You say yes, stand
Him
up.
not come home.
Sugar.
Him not coming from prison. Him gonna stay right in there.
Jesus Christ. Sugar, she say
He's
you
not
stand
coming
up.
back.
And yeah, wait for
She
her.
said any man should talk to them a top man and God have to be top man because she has
Him not coming out. Him staying right in there. Then he gonna die in there. He gonna die in there.
Jesus Christ.
Petal that easy at all.
He gonna die in there. Let me come up for this thing. When I get me out of it, and
yeah.
I only do young boys now. I don't do old man. So get me out of it. Goodbye.
Well, yeah, good house, you know, more gunshot in the ghetto. And that's she grudge you for.
Oh, God.
But tell them, no, so she not come off, you know.
Let me take her off. Come on, she talk. Yeah.
Why down everybody eat you? Yeah, because she can't keep her friend.
Not at all.
Every single one of Unuh was done, friend will come out and protect Dan and go down turn upon everyone of Unuh.
She don't want to admit it when she wrong. She don't want to admit it say she wrong.
Yes.
She always right.
I'm going to tell her Dan want to run the place like she had done. So she have a wall on the head, she telling her what to do, and send her on the things, and she just had the thugs. But Dan, I remember say, everybody had their own boss.
Diary, you remember the time when I come out with the scheme, right? I
Mm,
park up on the sidewalk in the car and the police them come there ask me if everything was okay. You remember that time there?
I can't even remember that. I never
Yes.
catch the first couple of live then.
But you see that day there? When
Mm.
when Colin come out and Colin and say open at the Versace straight down for life and I said that Colin me never come up me never tell me come out and come talk to no talk about no Versace me tell him come out and tell her the gear strength you hear that
Oh wow, that's a bad man.
right right on the live
Oh, somebody said I remember the live there.
yup me tap on the sidewalk and me pull over how much police come and me check the police and tell the police that me feel sleepy. And that's why they torch up me feel sleepy. And when Colin come out and said, Versace. What that
Mm.
Versace look like? Yeah, boy, you cut down from the life. Colin, I said, listen, come there and strength, you know. When I send if you know nice. And Colin, and Mr. Blum, and Colin start to rub.
Mm. I know she's a bad man girl.
And all of them things when she come out and just attack us. That means you never Colin wasn't your friend then.
Imagine, can you imagine Don married and Don upon the life tonight and name out every man? No wonder
Mm-mm.
no wonder why when they say she not blame Stucky for no using in pension money and house fear.
Because no man no wanna put no kid.
Yeah, that break up, is it?
She said no man no wanna put no careless woman in the house.
Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
Wow.